Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Outlander. A versatile crossover with power to spare, Outlander boasts an upgraded level of interior comfort and advanced technological features to give you control over every element of your drive. With super all-wheel control and a 5-star frontal and side impact crash test rating, peace of mind comes standard. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.